Hello Zili users, ready to uninstall the Zili app? It's quick and easy. Let's do it in a few simple steps. First, find Zili app on the home screen of your device. Once you find it, tap and hold until a menu appears. Here you can see the uninstall icon. Tap on it and confirm. If this method does not work on your device, you can uninstall the app using another method. Let's see how. First, open your device settings, scroll down and tap Apps or App Manager. Find and tap on Zili in the list of installed apps. Now, tap Uninstall and confirm the action. The Zili app will be removed from your device. Do you ever uninstall apps you don't use? Let me know in the comments. If the app does not uninstall, try restarting your device and then repeat the process. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.